Hi guys, my name is Forever Looney, and today definitely I'm gonna make another video, and this is actually addressing all the employees out there. A lot of people have been employee in their life, and they keep asking themselves, hey, should I go into entrepreneurship? Do I want to go into investment? Do I want to do this, do that? Do I want to create a better self? I want to be rich, I want to be this, I want to be that. Yeah, okay, stop, just pull a stop on that, okay? I know that you want to be rich, I know that you want to be an entrepreneur, I know you want to go into investment, yes, but however, you gotta ask yourself a few questions first, okay? Firstly, ask yourself, are you willing to be resourceful itself? Are you willing to be resourceful? Are you willing to go into Google and find all those stocks, read the chart, know how all this chart works, know how this thing is gonna help you, know what news is gonna affect the growth and the downfall of a certain chart? Are you willing to do that? If you are, then go for it. If you are not, then I'm so sorry. Please tell yourself that you got to work harder into it. Reason being is because when I first started into crypto exchanges, when I started into stocks exchanges, I was telling myself like, okay, I know that this stock is gonna fly. I know that this is gonna fly. Yeah, I don't care about the news. I know I'm right. And then when I try it, I lost $100 within a second. And that's crazy, right? I earned $25, I lost $100 within seconds. And that is how tough it is. So you gotta be careful. The reason why I say you have to be resourceful to start searching for it is because you got to get yourself ready. You know that you're willing to go the extra mile to know what you are buying, you know what you are trading. And then that's where your investment will be a more stable one. And I really come from the point where I'm telling everyone that I've seen people fail before. I've seen people get into debt. I've seen people fail a lot more money. And you know what? And they just blame everything. They just say, oh no, it's the market fault. It is this fault, it's that fault. Don't do that, okay? Like I said, if you want to go into investment, ask yourself whether you're willing to go the extra mile to do research or to check whether what are the resources out there that you have. And then when you want to go into other different things, yeah, just go ahead because you're willing to go the extra mile to find out what is happening and how you can read all this chart itself. Then people say, hey, I want to go into entrepreneurship. Yeah, definitely. Please go ahead. Please help all these people around you in your local businesses, in the region businesses and all these things. Help them. Yeah, definitely. Please go ahead. Sell your product to help people have better life. Go ahead and do it. However, you gotta ask yourself, are you willing to be resourceful? Are you willing to go the extra mile even when you got nothing coming in? Are you willing to take the risk to become a person that is able to stand on a stage, to sell to all these people? Can you sell to even one person that product that's gonna help people that you know bring value to people itself? If you're able to do it, go ahead. Just do it. Don't think so much. Just do it. Yeah. The reason why I'm gonna share with these two experiences is because I've seen people fail, and when I go to work and then I see my colleagues and they are telling me like, hey, I want to be an entrepreneur. Yeah, go ahead, man. I mean, just do it. And some people, they say that they want to be an entrepreneur, but at the same time they have this employee mindset. So what can I do is to tell them to stay in the hardest place, the toughest place, the hardest place, because that's where they build the toughest person out. When you are in the toughest place, when today you are in a jungle, you're in a place where you have to hunt for your own food. Human nature is to adapt, change your perspective, change the things you're doing, create, become better. That is how human history comes about. Back then, when we come from, huntsman time, the old age, bronze age, bronze age, okay, where people start using wood created splints to hunt for food. People start hunting for food, cooking with all those different things, lighting up fires, lighting up camps with rocks and all these things, coconut husks. And then after that we advance into Iron Age, and then we go into and then we get into the technology, the modern age now. So you gotta be resourceful, you gotta start from nothing, you gotta know how you're gonna advance. Find out the way how you're gonna move around yourself. Find out how you're gonna move in the direction that you're able to build a business. And that's where you can do it. Everything requires you to be resourceful. You want to be in investment? Yeah, be resourceful. You want to go into entrepreneurship? Be resourceful. You want to write a book? Be resourceful. You gotta do everything. being resourceful. Why are you telling people that I want to be successful, but it's just that the time is not right? What? What are you talking about? Be resourceful. Start finding what you are supposed to find. Start putting in what you are supposed to put into your project itself. Create it, broaden it, learn how to do it, and then you're good to go. A lot of people start with nothing. Nobody's going to go there, hey, I think your marketing is not doing well. I think that your project is not doing well. You're not even telling people what your project is about. You're not telling people, hey, I'm gonna start a business. I'm gonna start a business. The solution is this. Okay, great. So give me your feedback. You don't even want to do that. Then how are you gonna do it? I don't understand. So what we do is just be resourceful. Search for whatever that you can. Find whatever ways that you can get yourself into the eyes of people. Do it. Keep doing it. And then each day you will tell yourself, oh no, I'm gonna fail. No, slap yourself and say, do it, I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it. Just keep telling yourself that. So, my name is Forever Looney. I'm still writing the book and I'm gonna do it, okay? I'm gonna do it. And then I'll see you guys on the next video. Okay, remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends. Let your friends know how they can be successful today. And also, if you guys are actually interested into getting real estate, Zero to Real Estate book is coming out, and it's for you to get yourself into the real estate book itself. So my name is Forever Looney. Like, subscribe, and share with your friend. Click on the bell, and I'll update you guys on everything. I'll speak on everything itself. So it's fine to be an employee. Remember that it's fine to be an employee. Know what kind of direction you're heading in, and once you are set on it, just do it.